How to find safety map on NewsBreak and local news and alert app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you how can you find safety map on NewsBreak. So if you want to find a safety map on NewsBreak, you have to follow the steps. Now first thing, you have to create an account on the NewsBreak app. Currently I'm using a web version. You could also download an application from the Play Store or an App Store and install it, after which you go ahead and create your account and you could use NewsBreak. Now similarly, if you want to know about or find the map, you just have to go ahead and press the gear icon or the tab bar icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. Then you could find a list of section right. So what you want to do is go to this crime map section. After you go to this crime map section, you could go ahead and click on like high risk, low and all that, and you could also select the days, maybe like today, and you want to go ahead and select how safe do you feel in the neighborhood or some other question. And what you want to do is just click on the submit button and you could find the bar over here. So likewise, you could do the same procedure that I've mentioned. So you just go ahead and select it all. Or you could just go ahead and click on see all location and select the state. Now let's see, go ahead and select the city, and now you could find it out here. So this is the way you could go ahead and find safety map on NewsBreak and local news and alert app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.